Look at this nice view from outside of the shop map. No, I mean seriously, like don't you ever wish you could just have mods so you could just mod yourself out here? Or don't you ever wish that you had a glitch in mind that you could use so you could also just glitch out here and admire the rain, admire the whatever? Well, I'm out here, right? Which means that you, yes you, dear viewer, you could also be out here just like I am, and you could admire the fake invincible buildings right there, which, fun fact, if you didn't know, those aren't even real, they're invincible. I don't know, fun fact. And you can admire the rain, the rocket ship, you can do whatever you want, like troll, and spread the word of Jesus. You know, do whatever you want, really. Anyways, I'm gonna stop wasting your guys' time. Let's get straight to the point of the video. But one more thing, if you haven't liked the video already, and if you haven't, please subscribe. We're on the road to 600 subs, y'all. Come on, I know we can do it, Rain Nation. Let's go. Alright, y'all. So one thing I also forgot to mention is you can only really do this for a limited amount of time because you have to have the snow update, really. And you also have to have Guardian mode, which I'm pretty sure that's a limited amount of time. I don't know, I could be wrong. Anyways, but yeah, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to go in Guardian and join a random code. Don't mind that code. Don't mind the name. So now what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to come into Forest map, you know, the best map in Gorilla Tag in my opinion. And what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to find the meteor, which, as you guys can see on my screen, the meteor is up here. So I'm just gonna, you know, be big really quick. So there we go. Now I'm officially big. The reason why I had to hit the meteor so many times is because I've been big already before in this map. So now what you're going to want to do is, like I just did, you're going to want to come up here, get your way up to this little platform, this snowy platform, and then you're going to want to climb up this tree. It is a little bit hard. It might take you a few tries. Maybe not. I don't know. It depends how good you are at this game or how bad you are. And now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put your right hand here, or if you're left-handed, then put your left hand here. If you're right-handed like I am, then you want to put your right hand on top of this little tree. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to jump for tutorial, like this. And boom, just like that, now you're in tutorial. Now this part might be tricky to y'all, but it's easy for me. I've done this so many times. So now what you're going to want to do is, you're going to come over to this way. And I don't know if you know, but this is actually invincible, just like that. So make sure your right hand, or again, if you're left-handed, then make sure your left hand is in here, or whatever you guys prefer. So now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to shimmy your way over there, which if you don't know how to shimmy, basically what you do is you put your controller in the air, and you shake it fourth back, fourth back, fourth back, fourth back, and you notice how you're moving toward the forest map? So that's just how you shimmy. And then now what you're going to want to do is, you're going to want to find a good spot. What I mean as a good spot is you're going to want to press your MetaQuest button as fast as you can, and then you're going to want to press it again. You see what I just did there? So you're going to want to make sure that your hand is in the map, but you're not. So your hand is, but you're not in the map. So now what you're going to want to do, and also, by the way, if you want to do it with one hand or two hands, you can. Anybody in here? Okay. So if you're a person that prefers to do this part with two hands, you can. I'm going to show you how to do it. Basically, what you're going to want to do is, if you do this with two hands or one hand, you're going to want to come this way. So come toward the stump area. And you're going to just want to just make your way back here. Okay. So if you did this with one hand, you're still going to want to keep your hand in the map. But if you did this with two hands, like I did, you're going to have to press the MetaQuest button again, but keep your right hand in the map, but keep your left hand out. And then what you do is just press resume. And you see what I just did there? So now your right hand is still in the map. This part, you're going to need your right hand in the map. And you see that little pack of snow right there? That's a very important part to this tutorial. So now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to jump up. Okay, sometimes it takes a few tries, which is okay. You see? Okay, now my left hand is on the snow. Now my right hand's up here, and now I'm up here. And then just like all the other times, you're going to want to press your MetaQuest button. Put your hands this way. So now you're officially out of the map, and you're on top of the hallway that leads to canyons. But now for this part, what you're going to want to do, this part you're going to need one hand, which you could do it with two hands, but I'm not going to do it with two hands. So if you do this with two hands, then do well with that. But this is how I do it. I put my one hand, my left hand, in this little clouds map area, you know, the teleporter spot. And then you're gonna want to make your way over to shop, which, as you can see, shop just spawned, right? So now you want to keep your hand in still. This part is kind of hard, takes a few tries. And you're gonna want to go up these stairs, right? So this part, guys, there's two ways you could do this. You could either jump up with this hand. Oh, okay, yeah, don't want that to happen. So like I said, with this part, you can either jump up with one hand, alright? You could just make your way up. Or, what I like to do, personally, because I find it easier, I put my right hand on this little metal part right here, and then put my left hand up. In my opinion, it's easier, but do it however you want for this part. And then now what you're going to want to do is you press your MetaQuest button, right? And then make your way over here, and make sure your hands aren't like on the sign. So you see what I just did there? Alright, now for this part, this is a very important part. After this part, you're done, you did it, great. So for this part, you're going to want to put your hand right here. And then make sure your left hand's visible, and then without falling, you guys see this little metal part right here? Yeah, you're going to have to climb that. Just like this. And boom, guys, that's it. Just like that, you're outside of the map. And you could do whatever you want. You could troll people, spread the word of Jesus. I'm going to roll a few clips of what I do when I'm out here. Troll one-on-one. Let's go. Yo, Pink, I see you looking in the mirror. Yeah, wait, were you? No, look at me, Pink. Yeah, look at me, be a good boy. No, Pink, look at the wall. Be a good boy, Pink. Stop looking at the mirror. Oh, now you're going on top of the mirror? Oh, now you're getting off the mirror? Make up your mind, dog. What you doing? Pink? What you doing, man? And of course you think I'm in the parkour map. Alright, here we go. Yo, Pink toilet, look at me. Yeah, I see you looking at me. Yo, yeah, there you go. Look at me. Yeah, be a good boy. Look at me. Oh, now you're wearing a pink hat. Nice. You look like Barbie. Yo, say what's up to YouTube, bro.
Yo, what's up, YouTube?
Yeah, pretty funny. At least if you guys watch the clips. Anyways, I don't have my camera with me, so I'm gonna have to close the video out in first person. But like I said, y'all, this glitch only has a limited amount of time. You have to have that snow part there, and I'm pretty sure Guardian has a limited amount of time that it's here. So you know. Anyways, guys, you guys have fun doing that. Comment down if you have any troubles or concerns, or if you guys want me to teach you how to glitch in the monkey blocks, which I'll show you guys what I mean. I don't necessarily mean glitch in the monkey blocks. If you guys want to glitch on top of the monkey blocks mall window, comment down and I will teach you guys how to do that, or you guys can just figure it out from here. Just let me know, guys. Anyways, have your guys fun. Just don't be too toxic. I don't really like toxic people, or do. It's your guys' opinion, whatever. Anyways, guys, I will see you guys in the next video I make. Like I said, please sub. We're almost at 600 subs. Please like. Just please. Anyways, that's it, y'all. Peace. Hope you enjoyed the video.